Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing grilled chicken caprese on the big green egg. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'll just put a little olive oil on our chicken breast here. Gives our seasoning something to stick to. And for this recipe, I'm using one of my favorites from Spiceology. It's called Greek Freak. It goes good on everything, but especially chicken. This meal is a great meal for a weeknight because it's very fast and easy, cooking right on the grill. Got some veggies to go along with this. All right, and then one other thing with this recipe, it also calls for a balsamic glaze. You can make it, it's on the recipe, you can make this from scratch. To save some time on the video today, we're actually going to do, we're going to cheat, just warm up some already made sauce. So I'm going to put some of this in the sauce pot. And this is ready to go on the big green egg. All right, we're ready to put this on the grill. So we've got our grill today at 425 degrees. I've got our 2 half-moon cast iron grates. These are going to put in really good for cooking chicken. So we'll go ahead and get started here. Those there. I've got a couple skewers. We've got some Brussels sprouts here. Set those right down the middle there. A little salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder on there. And then this is a fun trick. These are baked potatoes. You can even do this with leftover baked potatoes. Cut them in half, and then we're going to place those on the grill as well. Get a little bit of smoke flavor. We're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn our chicken over here, flip it. A little room here at the front because it's time to start warming up our balsamic glaze right there in the center. Give that about another 10 minutes. All right, we're going to take a peek here. We're getting close. Need to get to 160 degrees on chicken breast. We're at 150, so we're going to go ahead and put our mozzarella slices so this can melt on each. Our sauce is warming up. Everything's looking good. We'll check back here in about 5 minutes. That should be ready to go. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. We're going to take a peek here and check our temperature. 160 degrees is what you need to be. We're 164, so the chicken is now ready to come off. I've got my glove on. So first I've got our warmed up sauce. Going to set that there as well. Brussels sprout skewers. Chicken off. You can see the cheese is now melted. Last but not least, our grilled baked potatoes. Okay, to finish up, we're going to take some fresh basil. And then I'm going to put tomato slices over the top of that. And then last but not least, we've got our balsamic drizzle. We're going to just drizzle this a little bit over the top. And there we go. Grilled chicken caprese on the big green egg. If you'd like a recipe, you can go to ky3.com, or for all your supplies and expert advice, come to Outdoor Home in Nixon.